Hi, it's slime made Lillie, and I'm going to tell you how to make Rosalina slime. First, grab any kind of glue you have. Next, you grab some baking soda. Only grab a little bit because we don't want too much. And then we mix it. After you mix it, you can grab this, some secrets, and put it in there. Put the whole thing in there. And put some glitter in there. Now put that much. Then grab another glitter. You can use any kind of blue glitter you have. So after you put it in, you mix it. We use contact solution, and we need to put it in. So you don't want to use too much. So now to mix it in. It's starting to work. So now we add in ocean. It's got to be a little sticky right now. It's got to make it smoother. So let's use it. So Rosie slime is really cool. It's really fun. So and at the end, it's got to be really cool. Now here's some shaving cream.
Yeah.
It's got to make it a little bit fluffier. Okay. This is the finished product. It's really fun. And let's get a how far it can go test. So it can go this far. Okay. And it's way long.